My name is FIRDOUSH Ali Siddiquue. I belong to Ranchi, Jharkhand. I have completed B.tech in Computer Science and Engineering from IIT College of Engineering, Greater Uttar Pradesh. I am 2022 pass out. I came to know QSpiders Kolkata, so I joined QSpiders Kolkata in the month of April 2024 in the course program software testing. Here I learned the concepts very well. I learned SDLC, Java, SQL by Vishwanath sir, Sachin sir, Shubham sir, Sagar sir. All the concepts are very good. They teach us, and the regular presentation and mock interviews consistently help me to improve my communication skills as well as leadership and as well as how to work in a team. So these are the things that I personally believe my skill sets develop. I give a special thanks to Mr. SKR sir who takes my hand and give me an opportunity to work in an IT career. And I would like to thank Mr. SKR sir for giving me this opportunity and start my career in IT field. Those who are looking for to start their career, please join QSpiders, JSpiders, Kolkata. Thank you.